Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to unlock your Rapid Pay card by contacting customer service. The first thing you need to do is call Rapid Pay card customer service at 1-877-380-0980. That is 1-877-380-0980. Then you follow the automated prompt to speak with the customer service representative. Next, you inform the representative that you need to unlock your card. Follow the instructions to unlock your card. It's as simple as that. Please note that you may need to provide security information or answer verification questions to unlock your card. If your card is locked due to suspicious activity or security concerns, you may need to resolve the issue with customer service before unlocking your card. Unlocking your card may take a few minutes to an hour depending on the method you choose. By following these steps, you should be able to unlock your Rapid Pay card. If you encounter any issues, you can contact the Rapid Pay card customer service for assistance.